them in the passive voice. Okay, so you have the present tense, the same thing, you can put them in the passive voice. Obviously the passive voice is made up of two parts: the verb to be conjugated in the different tenses plus the past participle. When are we going to use the passive voice? When you're writing scientific papers, when you're expressing general or public opinion, when the object is more important than the subject. So who is receiving the action is more important than who is doing the action. You normally see the passive voice being used like in on the news, crime scenes, okay? So it's like an impersonal distance from whatever situation, okay, that is happening or has occurred. Very good. So obviously in this sentence, okay, John, okay, writes a book. We know that John is doing the action, a book is receiving the action, and the verb writes is in the present tense. What that says, okay, is that we have to switch the position of the subject and the object. So it's like vice versa. And we start with the focus on the object. So a book, since writes is in the present tense, we have to put the verb to be in the present tense. So in this case, it's is plus the past participle of the verb write, which is the main verb. So we get written, and then we have a by phrase. We normally use the by phrase when it's someone important, but like by people or by like common nouns, we don't normally include the by phrase. But I think in general you have the idea.